let it not be what I'm thinking. If it is true, I will never be happy with Uju. Yes. No. If we face him tomorrow, I will go and visit her. Yes. I have to go and visit her. Face him tomorrow.
I said, big, give me ice on. Give it to me, baby. Vote my man, vote my man. A big in a machine pass, or the breaker. Or the breaker. A big in a machine pass, Bruno. You jump me like a hat. Jump with me, baby. Jump with me, baby. Enjoy your life. Enjoy. A big girl with a cake. A big girl with a cake. A big girl machine pass. What a break. Say no more.
Baby, give it to me.
I said big. I said big.
Baby, I will chop you like a ha.
You chop me like a ha.
I will chop you like
chop
a
me,
ha.
baby.
I will chop you, baby.
You chop me.
I will chop you, baby.
Go from here. I just want to monkey.
I just want
go. Taban kwabe. I want just to be. From here, we are going to monkey Joy. Hey. Shut down.
You be mad.
A big breaker. A big in a machine pass breaker.
Baby, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. I
said big. I feel cooking there, man.
Oh.
Yeah. Innocent.
Spanya should shake or shake a big. A walking shaking for a big. Yeah. Hey. Yeah,
hey, big, the biggest wine town.
Yeah.
Hey,
say that again.
Oh my God.
No way put the gig. I'm browsing bubble ball. What do you know, Fuma? Huh?
Hey, baby,
chop me, baby.
Chop you, baby.
Chop my money. Chop. If you chop me like how you chop money, you gotta go. A big
chop
arrive.
You, baby.
Amalaka. Say no more. Give it to me, baby. Oh. Oh boy, big.
Baby,
hey,
give me the drink.
Baby.
I am a man.
Baby.
Give me the drink, baby.
You single one or two. Huh? Who single one or two? What is happening? I've seen this thing before. Does it mean that all of them left at the same time? No single person at home? Huh? What kind of thing is this? I'm beginning to be worried.
Okunele! Where is she?
Greetings, Manzi.
My lord, you are here.
I've been here since. In fact, as a matter of fact, since I came here, I've not seen a single person in this house. I've moved all around the whole places. I couldn't find a single soul in this house. Nobody's at home. Eh?
Anyway, I saw Ebuka with some miscreants.
Eh?
Yes. The painful part is I saw Amaka's car packed with them.
Amaka's car? Ebuka. Hey!
Anyway, that's why I'm here to see Obodele. And you are saying they are not around.
Nobody's at home. Eh?
Okay. I have to go and see my brother.
Really?
Yes, Chacha Eke. Maybe he's there.
When you get there, please, my regards to them. Huh? Go well. In case you see any of them, please let them know that I'm here.
Anyway, how's your family doing?
They are very fine.
Alright. I will be on my way.
Okay, please calm down, okay? Calm down. I've never seen this kind of a thing before. Eh? I've been here for some time now. No single soul, nobody at home. What is all this? I'm beginning to be worried, eh? Even Uju, I've been calling his Uju. She's not picking her calls. Eh? Okay, no one here. I just hope all is well.
You don't mean this.
Mazokeke, you need to go to the road that leads to Oji and see for yourself. You need to see how Ebuka is behaving like a rascal. Though he's a rascal, but I don't know what gave him the effrontery to be doing that with Ukamaka's car. That is arrant nonsense.
How did he manage to lay his hands on the car?
Well, I don't know. I have gone to look for Okodili to know how he managed to be driving that car. That is the car that Okamaka uses anytime she visits her father's land. It's a personal car. That is a sign of disrespect.
Hey, are you actually sure of what you saw? Or don't you think you saw Okamaka on that car?
That is why I have gone to look for Okodili before I will confirm what I'm saying.
Children of nowadays, they can be so undecisive. But anyway, they will not kill me. Well, since you said that you have gone to look for Okodili and he's not at home, I would better advise you go and come back.
Yes, I will go and return. I will go. I have to be on my way now.
Okay. When you come back, we'll look for cola.
Alright, thank you.
Ewu Kambia. Keep looking for Okodili. Never stop looking for Okodili until you find him. If you fail to see him, check the nearest evil forest. Foolish man. Foolish brother you are. You won't allow children to enjoy their inheritance. You're not Okodili. Nonsense. Let us see who will win this battle at the end. Nonsense. Go ahead and look for him. Hey! Your age.
Be careful, be careful, be careful. Ooh, whom you trust, whom you trust, whom you trust. Never give your heart to whom you can't define. He could be an enemy within.
Ndoka.
Mama.
Your best friend could be an enemy.
This one that you're here, where are you going to? Huh?
My friend Obinna, he called me from Obodo. Called me on the phone. I'm discussing with him Obodo now. Yes. So the thing is that his father is very sick. Yes. So he told me to go and see his father to know the situation of things. So I can take him to the hospital. So if I take him to the hospital, I'll call him so he can now be communicating with me. You know, he's like a brother to me. Now I am the middleman.
May God save him. Let it not be a serious sickness.
God will save him. Everybody has the money now. Money will not be the problem. Yes. Mama, where are you coming from?
Hi. Your mother have really suffered. Do you know I went to see Uju since morning for more than 1 hour now? There is no single soul in that house, not even an ant.
Why did you go to see Uju? Of what reason are you going to see?
Is she not my daughter?
Uju is supposed to be someone you must have forgotten the moment she married that man. Forget about Uju. Anyway, maybe she went to market or she followed her husband to his keke business. But you should have called her on phone.
I called her on phone severally. She didn't pick my call. And she didn't even return my call. I'm just beginning to be worried though.
Mama, forget about her. Forget
about my own daughter.
Okay, fine. Remember her. I am going out. Please, cook something for us to eat. I will be hungry when I come back.
Is it not only what you know? How to eat and eat and eat? Oh, why how Zema?
Mama, you know
that's only what you know.
Keep cooking. It takes a good cook to have a good eater. If you had been giving my sister Evelyn food, she wouldn't have been as short as she is.
Uncle, I'm just coming from the family house and there is no one there.
Serious?
Yes, Uncle.
What of your half-brother, Okudele? Didn't you see him there? Or call his phone?
Uncle, there is no one and I've been calling my brother. He's not picking up his calls.
Oh! Ha! Chisomo. I've nearly forgotten myself because I would have known by now that Okudele should be on his work site. He should be driving his keke. And when he's driving, no matter how many times you call him on phone, he won't even know his phone is ringing. Not to talk of picking it. So it is possible he's at work. I suggest, did you look for him at the new house? Did you go there?
No, Uncle. I'm just coming straight from the family house. And he's with the key to the new house.
Oh, okay. It's possible he's inside there cleaning or doing some other jobs there. Don't you think so? I suggest you check him.
It's okay, I will.
Inside there, I'm sure.
It's okay. So, Uncle, how is Auntie?
Oh, she's fine. She just went to the market.
Alright. My regards to her when she returns.
I will, my daughter.
Uncle, look at the way she's taking good care of you. You're
she's
looking
fine.
good.
Yeah, it's God though. In this village, what do we have?
You have
It's just God.
Alright, Uncle, I have to be going.
My daughter Chisom,
Yes.
whenever I see you, the memory of your late mother, Chalo, flashes into me. An extremely beautiful woman. And you're going that way.
Uncle, it's okay. I should be on my way now.
Okay, my daughter.
Alright. Alright, Uncle, take care.
Greet to Kamaka for me.
I will.
She comes to me. No money for snuff. No money for pomo. No money for tombo. Uncle is what I'll eat. You see all of you. Anyway, don't worry. By the time we finish this thing, we will know where we belong. I remember your uncle. Go and get me one man that I will call my in-law, who will give me everything I want. In place of your father. Cannot do that one. Uncle for empty-handed.
This one is good. That means we're at this side. Hi.
Oh, hi. You, hi. Who you be and where you say they go?
Are you the security man?
I asked you, never answer me. See that ask me that. You want me to ask you? You want me to answer you first?
Okay. My name is Chisom. The sister to Amaka. I'm not sure she was the one that employed you.
I don't know who is Amaka. Amahomia.
Okay. I'm a sister to brother Okudili and Ebuka.
The name where you call now, I'm a Oga. And in the inside, with his wife and brother, with friends, with the inside.
Sorry?
You too, sorry? Someone sorry?
Excuse me.
Now you carry that car? This one fine, no? Oh, Oga get this kind sexy and beautiful sister. Why for carry your car inside now?
Come with ready. You are ready. Let me test your feet. You test your own to this extent.
Enjoy yourself. Good afternoon, brother Okudili. Auntie Ju, good afternoon. Hi, Ebuka. Brother, I have been calling to let you know that I was on my way, but you were not picking up your call.
Yeah. My phone is inside the room.
I went to the family house, but there's no one there.
As you can see, we're at the family house.
Ebuka, this chicken tastes funny. It's not really delicious like the one from the last time. Where did you buy this chicken in short?
Man, it's okay to go. A big watch cheese like this, Manchester. I don't remember.
A big immersion pass.
Next time, stick to the place that gets it right. Me, I don't joke with my stomach and the things that enter inside it.
Excuse me. I came to pick something.
It's alright. It's alright.
Who is this one?
I don't know.
Your sister-in-law. Stop drinking. What does she want?
Are you asking me? Do I know?
You don't know.
Whatever she like, let her be looking for. That's her business. If I'm ready for her. If for this time, I'm pure ready for her.
Baby, we don't need to fight. I am here for you.
That's my baby. Everybody is strong. Baby is fair.
Who's the one who think that he can just open the gate anyhow and any idiot will come in? It's like he's running mad now. No, I'm coming. Nobody should eat my chicken, please.
Will you Olympic?
Yes.
Anuga.
What's on top of
You Anuga.
But I don't touch it, so I should give you fire.
What is going on here?
I don't understand. I didn't even hear. Wait a minute. Where are my sisters going? Did they evacuate everything in the room?
This is not a file. I think I should call Jane. Let me call Jane. Jane. Jane, pick up. Hello, Jane. Can you hear me? Okay. Oh, please. Tell my sister to call me back. It's very, very important. Alright, thank you.
Shift back small.
Mother, you call me?
Shut up! Oh, so you heard I called? But you wanted me to shout like a fool and lose my golden voice before you blew Zuwegi and respond.
Madam, I watch for backyard.
Who cares? Shut up! Windom, you said that you have done gateman work in the city before, right?
Madam, now my work with that. I sabi the work well. I sabi am.
Come close. Come to me. What is that on your cap? Remove it. Remove it. Is that him? Is that him? Go! Step back! Detergent, step back. You sabi the work. Madam, I sabi the work. You sabi the work and you let that girl enter into my house.
Madam, she said she'd be your Oga sister.
Yes, she said. Did you have sense enough to have come inside and reconfirm if she's indeed who she said she is? Okay, that's the level of foolishness you have now. Window.
But Madam, she not be Oga sister.
Yes. Hey, ask me again. No, this is question and answer. You and me. You ask me, I answer you. I ask you, you answer me. Yes, we're met. Stupidity.
Madam, no verse. You no go happen again.
Before uncle, what happen? No? Let it happen again, no song. Let it happen. I want it to happen. Because what will happen is that before I fire you, I will ruthlessly strangle you. Then I revive you and give you the real firing. Now try me and see. Say what?
Thank you.
Get out!
Madam, thank
That ugly thing. Bringing bad luck into my house. You don't know your job. Let me finish with the witch inside.
My name Nuju, Ujuju Reju, Mwami Fanalu. Oh, I know what I want. I want to be in charge. No one they collect change at all. I don't send my she-husband. Now him sabi.
What is going on? I asked you, brother. Why is this old house turned into something else? Can someone talk to me? Can someone talk to me? Can someone talk to me?
Hey. Just shut up. You know what? I'm calming down the stress of your insult. Just because you're my sister. Apart from that, and listen, I Okudeli Nwa Chief Solomon Onoha has come to possess my possession.
Bam.
Come to take what belongs to me.
Yes, sir.
So go and tell Amaka that. Silly.
Don't look at me. Don't listen to my voice. You heard him. Go now. Go, because if I call Ebuka here, he will descend on you heavily.
And it's an order. Just get out.
Come on. Bleaching cream.
In French, we call it Bluetooth. Easy.
I'm happy. This is the kind of man that Uju deserves. A man that has woken up.
Yes. What is going on? I'm gonna have a kitty. Odika.
Yeah? Okay,
Please, do me like this.
You like it, huh?
I like it.
I'm very good at it.
I know.
I'm very good at it.
I like it.
But you know what? When I finish knowing you, when we get inside, in Nolly comes.
Oh my God.
I know you like it. I'll get for you.
You're a bad man.
Give me your leg, give me your leg, give me your leg.
Do it more.
I know you like it. So good at it.
Oh, good, good.
Wait. Why you like give me say you your sister? You want me to lose my job, Abi? No, they don't say you come and lose my job. I beg, come they go. They go on my sea road. Yes, they go lie just to get favor from someone. Just imagine, fine girl. But this one she dey get. It shows they no be oga baby this. And madam dey inside. Bad market. Who know what will happen? I lock my gate.
No way. It can't be possible. It is not possible. My daughter, get up. Let us go to your house. Okudele and his brother, they must tell me what they mean by inheritance. Wait, do you mean Ebuka threw you away from your room?
Oh God, he not just threw me away. He flicked me as if I was in wrong.
Hey, Papa, what nonsense? How can a tenant throw a landlady out of her own house? It is unheard of, Papa. Papa, you need to go and do something about this, so Papa. My sister is fine.
No. You must be joking. You are joking. You cannot just live in that house. It is not possible. Omeme, my daughter, stand up. Let us go.
Papa, go away.
Let us go to your house.
No, I'm not going. Papa, I'm not going to the house with you. I'm not going. I'm staying here. I'm not going.
Papa, I suggest you go there and find out what is happening. Your late brother's children cannot do this to their stepsister, Papa.
They want to reap from where they did not sow.
Exactly. Okay. Don't worry. Stop crying. Let me. I'm going there now. Please go in and get me my walking stick. They will know you have an uncle. Oh my man, now it can't happen. They cannot live in that house. Can you imagine? Hey! Hello. Don't cry. I'm going there now. Where are you now?
Inekwogharị na-akpa isi okwu troublemaker nwanyị zokwa.
Cannot happen.
Oh,
my son.
Good afternoon, sir.
God bless you.
So you are walking and talking.
My son.
Sir?
Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead and ask me.
Can a tenant chase away the landlord from his house?
Everybody knows that is not possible. No matter how Akede tries to spread, it cannot spread in a way that the owner of the land will not pluck it anytime it wants.
Good. One for cable. When you get to your house, tell your mother that Okudele and Uju, your sister, connived against Chisom and chased away that girl from their house. Yes.
Chisomu, Amaka's sister.
You know Chisom, right?
Yes, it's not our in-law, Gongoka, Amaka's younger sister.
Tell your mother that they both connive and chased away this poor girl from their house. As I speak to you now, Chisom is in my house, crying bitterly.
Anyway, no problem. I am going to tell her, as you rightly said, Chisom. Wow.
I'm going there to find out. I just want to go there to confirm and know what really happened. Yes. Tell your mother what I said.
I will. Oh. Go, my brother. Why is my sister always causing problems where there is none? Why is Obianuju always igniting fire where it will burn her to ashes? Anyway, it is Mama's fault. I don't know where she gave birth to that one. What kind of problem?
Who be that one now? Eh? Oh, open this gate. All these people never do that before, but they never see gate. Now when they say gate. Ah.
Where's Okonkwo?
Now wait, sir. Who be Okonkwo? Come back now. That's where they go.
Where
who be
is
Okonkwo?
I want to see Okonkwo.
Okay, wait. Man, I tell you, people where they inside here plenty. Nobody like Okonkwo here. Wait, see. Where they go?
I will use this stick on you.
Okay, you miss road. Go back. See, now because I be that man, I respect you. They go now, maybe chief security.
Chief Guinea.
Security for this compound. I got to follow me here now.
Your name is Uncle. What is it? Why are you bullying my gate man? Uncle, what is it?
You have a gate man?
Of course, as you can see.
In whose house?
In our house. Me and my husband's house. Are you blind?
In our house.
Does Okudili here still look like a gate man?
Wait, is it true you are now occupying Amaka's house?
Uncle,
What is Amaka?
please meet the new landlord here.
I said it. You are not normal. For you to open your mouth to tell me you are now the new landlord of this house, Aruaduroge. Yes!
Ebuka, who is insulting your landlord? And you're still there. A big machine pass.
Brother.
Bundle him out of this place now, Ebuka.
With immediate effect.
A big machine pass. Do your work.
Why here now, Kecho Kantili Garo? Sebapo. You can't tell you Garo
Bundle
now.
him out of this place and never allow him to come here again.
What? Let me give a shoe pass. I can't do a
Bundle him out.
Let me know
Hey, fast. Hey, big, swear down. Swear the boy down. Swear down. Next time, if you allow that stupid man, that stupid old man, inside this compound, I will deal with you. I don't want you to ever open that gate for him again.
I will not try it again.
Do you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nonsense.
No, try it. Try it and I will use my fingernails.
Maroge.
I will use these nails and pluck out your eyeballs from your socket. Then stuff it into your mouth and you will eat it and drink kerosene as water. You will know. You will know why they call me Johnny.
In charge, no one they collect change at all. I no send my she husband, na him sabi. As I want him, now so I go get him.
What I just told you is what Mazibe told me when I was coming back from Papu Bina's house. I don't know why you find it difficult to believe me.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
Mama, what is a lie? Mama, see, I knew that something was wrong. The day she came here with that fine car, that flashy car, I knew that something was wrong.
Chekwa. Oh. Was that why I went to their house? I didn't meet anybody. I went there was no single soul in that house. Chekwa, does it mean that she has packed out from that place?
Now everything is making sense to you.
Hi.
That your daughter, who knows how to reap where she did not sow, she has left the supposed husband's house and they have packed into Amaka's house.
Hi. Mama.
Mama,
Your sister wants to put me in trouble. I don't want trouble, no.
Mama,
Huh?
Nsobu has entered vehicle and it is closing in on us.
Oh.
Because I know that there was this young man, that Amaka's husband. You know that day he came, he was wearing earrings.
Yes.
He had gun.
Hey!
Yes!
Hey!
That man came back all the way from Obodo Ibona. All this. Your sister is dead. But she's not going to be buried here. She will either be buried in evil forest where she belongs, because that girl is very wicked.
Hey.
I warned her. I know that Amaka is coming with her own war. And when this war comes, there is no neutral ground.
Mama.
They're not kill my daughter for me.
Mama, come. No, come. Oderia. We are not. No, I am not in support of this. So I am not. Oh, I don't want to die your go.
Mama,
why do you always sound so negative? Eh? That was what you told me when your brother had a problem. You said I should ask you to boil hot water, so I'll blind your brother. Mama, you are not happy that they want to kill your sister.
All these things you are talking does not make sense.
The case is negative.
My sister is a hungry, wicked girl who knows how to reap where she did not sow. No problem.
Mama, her problem is that she's greedy.
Very
greedy.
Shut your mouth. You see that.
Mama, it's even your fault too. It's your fault. You not train her very well.
Do I blame you? Wait, bro. I don't blame you. Hey. Hey.
This is not the original plan. It cannot happen. Okudili was only meant to take care of the house and not to live there. He is lucky I wasn't there. I would have strangled him to death if it was to be the time I had enough power. When I was young, I would have dealt with him. Why must he even be seen there at all? Who gave him the right? He was only meant to take care of the house and not to live there. And there's no way he can live in that house. Not even his wife, anybody.
Do you know, Okudili has the guts to tell Ebuka to throw me out from my niece's house.
Sacrilege.
Okudili, I will show him that okra tree does not outgrow the owner.
Wait.
Yes.
Wait. Are you sure of what I just said?
He threw me out like a common criminal. He asked Ebuka to bundle me out of my niece's house.
To Fiakwa!
Oh.
Wait. You know what he did? He had just committed sacrilege. And Aro.
Okay.
Naya, Okudili Aro. We will make him Okbuaro. Let me tell you, this is very serious. You are Nzenozo. You are a representative of our ancestors.
You will tell him.
I should not be insulted. Trust me for doing that.
Oh.
Did he realize that you are his close relative?
Oh.
Eh? Now, let me tell you, this boy is going mad. He's going mad, and I will just deal with him accordingly. Now, let me ask you another question. What did I hear you say happened to Chisom?
Chisom was shamefully thrown out from her house.
This is the height of it.
Chisom, she's in my house now crying bitterly.
Eh? Wait, what has come over Okudele? No problem. I am capable of handling this situation.
Tell him.
I will not want to go and tell him. I will go there and do what? And if he's still in that house, I will throw him and his wife out of that house.
Tell him, I know why I'm keeping quiet.
Don't worry. Trust me to doing that. I'm not going there so friendly. I am going there to make sure that I do my role. Okay. I handle my role as an elder.
You say so.
I
know what to do. Huh? I know what to do. I'm just keeping him quiet.
Hey! Wait. One more thing. If you hear any news concerning the way I will deal with Okudele, do not be surprised. Because I will deal with him mercilessly and make sure he doesn't step his filthy legs there again. Okay. That house belongs to his sister. Why should he pack away from his own house and pack into Okamaka's house? Why should Okudele pack away from his house and come to occupy Okamaka's house?
Who will I ask? If you ask me.
fine. Ma, your sister called.
Chisom?
Yeah.
What did she say?
She wasn't sounding okay at all.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, it's fine. I'll call her back.
Okay, ma.
So tell Izzy to get the pizza in the car and get me the Jumex oil file so I can attend to it.
Oh, okay, ma.
Please be fast.
Right away.
I believe the devil wants to work overtime. You can resist it, okay? I've always known you as a prayerful girl. This is just a temptation, a very big one as that. Stop crying.
You won't understand. It's heartbroken.
I understand.
It's unbearable. How can my half-brother, Ebuka, do this to me? Can you imagine Ebuka threw me out of my own room? Even wanted to patch me, if not for his friend who intervened. What did I do to Ebuka? Can you believe me?
It's okay.
It's not okay.
It's okay. God will surely intervene. Stop crying, my sister.
It's not
You are still crying.
It's not good.
I said stop crying. Your phone is ringing. Is it my Okamaka?
It's okay.
Give me that phone. Hello, Okamaka?
Yes, Uncle, I'm listening.
Did you in any way, without letting me, your uncle, to know that you allow Okodele, Uju, and Ebuka to stay in your house?
No, he must be kidding. You mean Brother Okudili said my own mother's house is his property? That's not a very intelligent statement to make, Uncle. He must be delusional or intoxicated with something. I don't know. What does he mean by that? Is he mad? Is he demented? Is there something wrong with him? I understand. No, but that's wrong. All shades of wrong. Oh. Uncle, that's rubbish. He's saying absolute nonsense. It doesn't make any sense to me. He can't claim my family's property.
Okay. Hi.
Listen, I said put yourself together.
I'm not fine. Ebuka threw me out of my own room.
Can you imagine?
Sister, you can't believe this. The whole house has turned to something else. They have scattered everywhere, as if they are living with mad people. Yes. Uncle, yes.
Let me speak with Uncle.
My daughter, please, the next person I want to see in my house should be you now, not tomorrow. Now. And when coming, come with Mopo, come with army, come with police, come with all the forces in Nigeria. Now, not tomorrow. I am waiting.
All right.
Yes. Hi. What nonsense. These rascals, they can never reap where they did not sow. Not when I'm still alive. They will know you have uncle. Clear your eyes. Nothing will happen. Get it?
Ebuka cannot touch my sister. For what? They threw her out of my own mother's house. Unbelievable. I need to speak with Brother Kudem.
my children. You are actually in your own house. This is your house. Let no one deceive you or fool you into believing that you are. That you just barged into somebody's property. This is your rightful property. The land in which this house was erected belonged to my late brother, your father, Chief Solomon Onny. He actually built this house for his personal hideout. But along the line, his second wife, Achalugo, discovered it and pressurized on my brother, my late brother, your father, to give her the house, which he bluntly refused to give to her. Achalugo went ahead and threatened his personal peace, telling him that she will take away her only son, Ezenwa, too far from him. Who she later did. Yes, she succeeded in doing that. Your father was still on his sick bed when Achalugo tampered with his will, thereby deliberately omitting this mansion as part of Chief Solomon's property, knowing fully well that government can never discover this place because it was actually a hideout. That was exactly what happened. Let me tell you, government is not aware of this property. Yes. This mansion is out of government sight. You have me?
Yes, Uncle.
You are right.
Uncle, thank you so much. Thank you very, very much for this wonderful insight. I'm so grateful. Good. Thank you.
This house, like I said, is your property. If you like, you are. Or that's Eke, boo! Or that, shh! It's your business. Do not allow Amaka to see you as a fly that perch in her pounded yam. Do not allow her to pursue you away from your property. It will be a slap in your face and that of your ancestors to allow that. Fight this battle.
Okay. No wonder. This Amaka. No wonder. No wonder she keeps dashing you small change. To keep you down. Her plan was to make sure you never wake up to this reality. Oh, Amaka. Hi. Amaka Makwe, after all. But we're wiser than her now.
You see, one more thing. Remember, you are the son of a lion. You are not supposed to feed on grass. Do not chicken out of this contest. Like I said, no one has the right to push you away from your property unless you are not awake. Let me even tell you, Mazibe will always support Amaka. It was actually Mazibe who saw Achalugo and recommended her to be the second wife of your father. The reason was that your own mother was not educated at all. But Achalugo was educated, intelligent, and connected.
I know all that. I know that she used to sleep with politicians. I mean Amaka's mother. My uncle had an affair with her, but couldn't maintain her, then pushed her to my father to marry.
Yes, so you know all that?
Yes, I know.
She was too promiscuous.
I don't think Amaka is our blood. I don't think Amaka belongs to this family. I'm sure she's a product of one stupid pot-belly politicians. I
It's all right. I think you're not far from the truth. But if I go more, like I told you, her mother was influential and pragmatic, so she can do after her mother. It is possible. But the most important thing is that Okudele do not allow anyone to intimidate you, not to possess your property. This is your language. It is a sacrilege to lose it. Fight and recover it. Sit in your house as a man. That is it.
Talk of the devil.
Is that Amaka calling you?
Yeah, she's the one calling.
Stop calling. Come here and fight. Amaka, come here and fight. Fight is waiting for you here.
Okay, since he's not taking my call, I need to go there myself. You must be very stupid. Jane! 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 Jane!
Me, I want to fight. Yeah.
Uncle, thank you so much for this. I'm really grateful. Yes, you know, I've been a fool for years now. I wouldn't have allowed a male girl that I know when they married her mother, want to take over my inheritance. It's not possible now. Yeah? It can happen. Anyway, I thank God for my beautiful wife, Uju Olympic, for making me to understand that I've been wallowing in ignorance for donkey years now. Thank you, dear. I appreciate you.
Okay, why?
And you know what? Now I know my right and my stand. I'm not going to allow anybody to pull me down. Nobody is going to pull me down. I will not allow it. Nobody. I repeat, nobody. The time for us to collect all that belongs to us, Ofuamanfo, has come.
Madam, sit down, I go call her.
Please go in and call her for me.
Wait, you sure say now you born my madam?
Obianoju is my daughter. Please go right in there and call her for me. What is holding you? Go and call her.
She be your daughter.
Okay,
you're right.
Okay, well done.
What is it?
One woman died aside.
Oh, where is she and what does she want?
Okay, no alarm enter.
Are you mad? What is the answer to the question? You don't know her, but you opened the gate.
No, she said she be your mother.
Oh. Allow her in here.
Okay, sir.
Wait! My mother. Wait. I'll go with you. I don't know this idiot. He just might be lying. Hold your phone. But don't pick Amaka's call.
It's okay, I know.
I
know.
I will be back. Let me go and see if you did this, Mama. Excuse me. Come on,
so, as I was saying, thank you so much.
Look at what you are doing to me. Look at what you are doing to me, your mother. Leave me alone! Don't touch me! What is it? So this is true, Uju. Ujuma. So this is true.
What happened?
Hey, Uju. So it is true that you are now living with Okudele.
Oh, in this house, yes.
Hi.
We are. Mama, look at me. Look at your daughter. Look at me, Mama. Look at the new me. Didn't I tell you? Nego your feet, now look. Look at my skin. I eat Oyibo people food now.
Ujuma.
Yes.
I'm so ashamed of you. Let me ask you. Did Amaka permit you to live in her house?
Mama, please. Please. I don't want to hear that name here. Which Amaka? Please, this house belongs to my husband. My husband inherited this house from his late father. And now we are the rightful owners.
You took the wrong medication.
Mama, you don't know nothing. Come inside.
Oh, mother.
Come in. There's more to this whole thing than you ever know.
Hey.
Come.
Mama, come. You are running mad.
I am not.
Can't you see that you're running mad? Eh? You better leave this house now. You better leave this house this moment.
Why?
Does it mean that all the stories I've been telling you is falling into your...
How is that good you have? Which stories? Stories that the people that brought about it are the people that wanted it to favor them. Me, I have a different story now. You just don't know. But if you follow me inside, I feed you with updated information.
You don't believe your own mother, Uju?
Because I know better now.
Come on, Maga.
Hey! Why are you still refusing?
Oh, can't see where Uju. 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 Hey. Uju, how many times did I call you?
Anytime you're angry, you call me repeatedly. Uju. See, when you're Olympics, you're where? Man, I mean, it's your Olympics, it's your, I'm still. It's your Olympics.
Uju, listen and listen real good. Watch my back as I move out of this place. I will never step my feet in this place anymore. Since you have refused to believe in me or listen to my advice, when the fight will start, don't ever call me, and I will never be a party to it. When you will come complaining, or crying had I known, your mother, I will not listen to you. Never will I listen to you, because what I did not know will never know me.
Come inside,
Auntie Chiria, don't say I do not want you. Don't say I do not want you. Be very careful.
Mama, don't tell me you like poverty like this, oh. Your daughter has finally entered a paradise where you can eat salad. You can drink juice now, oh. Now. Just come inside, Mama. You're going. You're going. Come on, it's yours. I'm not here. Should be a boy, so. Hold your 2 ears. Hold it to your If you have sense, will I be sweating here like this?
No, ma'am.
Hey, Gamti, I am done for today. I am tired of everybody, especially you, because it appears that your aim mostly is to offend me. I don't want to see anybody. I am not expecting anybody again today at all. Well, nobody. So even if Jesus Christ come here saying he have come to redeem Ujo Olympic soul, that Jesus Ujo Olympic is not available.
Even your mother.
Yes, which mother? This one that have sworn to die, a wretched person. Me, I know what I want. And I get everything I want because I deserve better. And Ania?
Yes, ma'am.
You know. Pluck out your eyeballs with my hand. Try me. Go and shut my gates before another mad person will enter here now and begin to claim to be the one that tied my umbilical cord when they burn me. You people know how much money it takes me to pay that girl to do my makeup every morning. Then you not allow me to shout like smart people and be sweating, and the product she uses will be white. Don't stress me, oh. Don't stress me.
So, call your for me. Where is your mother?
She has gone, which is a good thing anyways, because it's not like she ever wants me to be happy.
What happened?
I don't want to talk about it. Just.
Hey, Ego Amaka. This house is very beautiful.
Oh yeah, Uncle. It's beautiful.
Beautiful house.
This meeting. So you have no right whatsoever to ask my husband to leave. How dare you pour such insult on him?
Amaka, is it Brother Okudili you're talking to in that manner? One more word from you again, eh?
What will you do? What can you do? How do you talk to my sister like that? What will...
Check a look. Mba kuposo, can't you go now?
Excuse me. Sweetheart.
Big immersion.
My love, please stay.
Don't do that, sir. Meet me in the car.
Sebapo, you're not part of the family. Can we proceed?
Uncle, I'm just respecting you.
Also respect.
Brother Okudili,